If you've never found mummies in a pyramid and you've never seen a Halloween decoration as cool as this is the Hay Harvest Halloween Holographic Icon. And they have a lot of different ones, not just this pumpkin. You can even control it with the remote. It works with iOS and Android. That's right, it has an app and a 9-foot cord that also has a controller. And it even has a timer option, 4 hours at a time. So you can set when it cuts on and cuts off. And you can cut this to a lot of different modes and colors. So it can be spooky or beautiful, and I like it that way. These sold out crazy fast last year, and they're so cheap right now. They're on a big sale. I would not wait anywhere close to Halloween to get this if you want to have it at all.